He's just dealing with a total unjust system. Why they want to kill an innocent man, I don't know. They should know the reason why. They're just completely racist. The judge is racist. The whole system is racist. And basically, they just don't want to be defeated with their game about an innocent black man on death row. And he should be given justice at all costs.
How long have you been an activist?
About 12 years.
Okay, and in your 12 years of fighting, I'm pretty sure you have seen many cases like Troy Davis, correct?
Correct. Tookie Williams is one that stands out like a sore thumb, and this is going to stand out like two sore thumbs with the system. ICE executing prisoners. That's evidence that they could have let go free, not especially Troy Davis to go free, and with Tookie clemency, just let the man live in prison the rest of his life, and he choose the latter, to execute him, which was wrong, which is morally wrong, which the whole system is morally wrong. So we got to keep fighting to rid ourselves of it. We got to keep fighting to bring justice to it. Justice is the only course that we got to take to bring it. That's all I have. Go ahead.
In closing, if you were to speak to the Parole and Pardons Board in Georgia relevant to Troy Davis, what would you tell them?
The evidence speaks for itself. The witness said it was coerced to make those statements. They signed a document, which is an oath that they was coerced to do this, which was injustice. And they know it's injustice. I mean, the evidence speaks for itself.
Okay. And lastly, can you please state your name?
My name is Herman Henderson.
Okay, and what organization is you affiliated with?
With ISO, which is International Social Organization.
Thank you.
All right.